So this video is to explain how to install JDK, Java JDK 1.8. Okay, just as very simple, just go to the google.com, then Oracle Java download. Okay, then just go to JDK, just click on this link, then accept license, click on that and click on this link. Click on this link, automatically it will start downloading. Okay, so I have already downloaded this, and just go to the downloads. I have already downloaded it. So once it's been downloaded, just double click on that. Now click on run. Click run. Just take me a while. Now just select as usual. Make sure Java SE development kit. This is Java SE standard edition development kit, that is JDK. Okay, so I'm installing JDK 8 version. Okay, 64-bit Windows. Now click on next, and development tools. Yes, of course I want that. Okay, so JDK comes with JRE also, so you can use this JDK for developing Java programs as well for running the Java programs as well. Okay, so next. And then now just copying files from extractor.exe to the required folders in the C drive. Okay, so now let's see what's the next step. Okay, so destination. Okay, so by default C colon programmer Java JRE, let it be the default one. Next. So it's now getting down installed. Install Java. You can see the status here. Install Java. Okay, so this is also about to get completed. Once it is completed, it will go to the next step. Okay, so Java SE development kit 8 has been successfully installed. Just close this button. Now go to the C drive. You can see program files, Java JDK, right? So this is your Java home path. Okay, if you open the command prompt, okay, if you open the command prompt, now you see Java -version. It will not work, but it is working, right? That means your exe had also configured Java home path also. Okay, let's see whether it is configured Java home path or just it set the path alone. Okay, if you want to see that, echo %Java_home. Okay, so it did not set, and now let's see path. So for under the path, it has configured 86 Oracle Java home path. So it is the default one. It has been configured. Okay, it is not the installed JDK. So now to set the path, it's always good to go to the my computer. Right click on that and go to the properties of your computer and go to system settings and non-local variables and create new Java_home and give your JDK path. Click OK, and then now click on the variable called path, and as usual let it be now for the existing path. As the existing path, configure %Java_home %/bin. Always give semicolon for dividing the paths, and then dot at the end, that means representing current directory also. Click OK, and click OK. Now open the command prompt, JavaScript version. Okay, so our Java 1.8 echo percentage Java underscore home. You can see the Java home our JDK has been configured. Okay, so this is how we can install Java JDK in the Windows machine. Thank you so much. Keep watching Advith Devops for many more videos in future. Thank you.